Let's talk about lying and what you can do about it. Lying itself is a behavior that I would call refusal. That's all it is refusal. Some people would call it disrespect, but that's because you've taken it personally, and that's the way you were raised. Let's face it, when I was raised, if I lied, I was in a lot of trouble because that was disrespectful. But when you really think about what lying is, it's a refusal. It always serves a purpose. People usually lie because they don't want to get into trouble. They want to avoid the problem, or they want to fix it the quickest way they can. So lie. Don't take it personally. It's the first thing you can do. Just don't take it personally. It is a refusal. When kids lie, and I know they're lying, I say to them, I want you to think about this again. This is what I think. I'm going to give you a few minutes and we can talk more. If they still insist on lying, then I say to them, right now, you're just refusing to tell me what actually happened. So we're going to deal with that refusal this way. And maybe it's a consequence, like let's say the same as cheating. Cheating is lying. And so I'm going to have you do the work over, but you can't use the same resource you used the first time. If you don't own up to what you did, I'm eventually going to say to you, this is what you did. You're refusing to tell me what you did. So I'm going to tell you what you did. And here's what we're going to do about it. You may not play over there on that section of the playground right now. And I just tell them exactly what happened. And they may argue and say, that's not the truth, but I'm done. So remember, don't take it personally. Lying is a refusal behavior that is serving a purpose for that child, and they're going to have to depend on you to call them out on it. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.